Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of our Filipino USRNs watching right now. Yan, nandito na naman po tayo sa panibagong kwentuhan and topic na may matututunan po ang ating mga nurses, lalo na po ngayon retro. No, this is the best way for you to research, to watch, and to learn. No, so ngayon po ang topic natin, Town Kids Inside Story, tips on how to transition in New Jersey if living with dependents. Ngayon po, meron tayo very special guest all the way from New Jersey, one of our town kids, kind care nurse, Miss Jazz. Good morning sa US. Ayan. Hi, ma'am. Good morning po.
Hi, good evening, Jan. Good morning dito. It's 7 a.m. Kinda cold na rin.
Yan. And Miss Jazz is taking her coffee. That is very,
Yeah.
what a day to start, ma'am. No? Very Filipino way of starting
Yes,
your day. Ayan.
kailangan natin ng coffee.
Yes, tama, ma'am, no? Ma'am, I'm sure our viewers right now, they're very curious. Sino ba si Miss Jazz? Can you somehow give a short story lang, ma'am, of your journey kay Town Kids and how long have you been working under Town Kids?
Hi, everyone. So yeah, that's my name, Jazz Feliciano. Worked in a BPO before Tito sa Town Kids, and I started here last March. So I think 1 year and 3 months or 4 months already, and still excited. Yeah.
Ayan. So that's very brief, ma'am. But at the same time, it's been a while, ma'am, no? I remember nung first interview ko sa'yo, ma'am, you just like kakarating niyo lang alos. Parang hindi pa nga ata kayo
Yeah.
nakakaalis, ma'am, nun, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Time
time
flies.
flies. Indeed, ma'am,
Yeah.
no?
Correct.
Ayan. So for our first question, ma'am, no? We understand po, ma'am, that you have your dependents with you, si Miss Jess po. Ma'am, how many kids do you have po?
I have three kids.
I have three
Three.
kids. Yeah,
Yes.
so a family of five.
True.
Ayan, si Miss Jess po is a family of five. Ayan, given the reality, ma'am, of the expense of cost of living in New Jersey, how did you manage po to survive, no, with your dependents? Kasi given, ma'am, no, just a brief background, si Miss Jess po, nauna siya ng one whole month in the US bago po dumating yung dependents niya. So how did you manage, ma'am, to survive when your dependents arrived in the United States?
So actually, I'm very thankful with the idea of me going here first because that helped me prep with everything like the house and all the stuff. Yung malaman ko kung saan yung grocery, yung mga ganon.
Mhm.
So malaking tulong siya that I went here alone, and for 30 days, na-check ko na rin even the school. Then once they arrived here, medyo prepared na. Hindi ko na sila hinatak to go anywhere and everywhere just to purchase things for them. And with the help of my mother-in-law as well, so natulungan niya talaga kami with that. That's it. And dapat talaga you have that budget, not that much lang, but for the necessities. Kasi the one that we got, a house, wala talaga siyang laman except for the stove, the washer and dryer, tsaka fridge. But all other things, binili namin. But you don't have to worry that you don't have a lot as long as you have the bed and basic necessities like for hygiene and all. Okay naman siya. Actually, to be honest, until today, wala pa kaming bed frame. Pero parang natuwa na kami that we're just, sleeping sa floor with our mattresses. And unti-unti, we just have to plan it kasi budgeting is really important here.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, tama naman, ma'am. And maybe the next time we talk, no, meron ka ng mansyon, Ma'am Jess. Yeah.
Naku naman. Sana,
Ta-
no?
time flies, ma'am. We don't know. And we manifest, ma'am, no, all the good things, no, then na mangyari. Ayun. So, it's very important that you're prepared. Lalo na kung may dependence ka, ma'am, kasi hindi lang sarili mo yung
Mm-mm.
cargo mo, no?
True.
So, kailangan you yourself, dapat aware ka sa mga possible
Yeah.
expenses. Ayan. And ma'am, mahirap ba, ma'am? Or like, mahirap ba na merong, ano, dependence alongside with you? Or somehow kaya-kaya naman?
So far, hindi naman siya gano'n kahirap, especially that my eldest, she's really, old, not really old, hindi na siya gano'n kabata, and she's helping. And the thing here is mas naging close yung family namin in a way because previously in the Philippines, we live in a two-story house. So, and since I work in a BPO, night chef, so hindi ko sila masyadong nakikita. Now naging close kami since we do not have a nanny, and then we divide our household chores. So, nagkakatulong-tulong talaga siya. And since my youngest is a special kid, talagang nag-explore kami together with my other two children na paano ba natin siya i-deal since it's our first time. So, nakatulong din yung magiging close namin to adjust, not just with the culture but with everything else, which is, I think, I really love as of this time. Yeah, I still love it na gano'n, yun din yung nangyayari.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's a good thing to know, ma'am. No, and ma'am, do town kids provide anything or like assistance, help when you're for your dependents while you transition in the United States?
With the help, I believe they gave us a list of apartments, and then nakapag-provide din sila ng feedback sa yung magandang tumira. Like the crime rate, syempre yun yung nakakapraning, we don't know what's here, right? Yun
Mm-hmm.
yung na nakapagbigay sila ng info about.
Ayan.
Yep.
So, ma'am, since nabanggit yung crime rate, curious lang ako, most of the nurse, of course, syempre hindi naman sila maniniwala sa amin, no? Sabihin namin na, no, safe dyan sa New Jersey. Ba't ka maniniwala sa'yo? Di ka naman nakapunta ng NJ, no? Pero ma'am, for you, is it safe to live in New Jersey?
I think yes, for 1 year. So far walang nangyayari, and maganda kasi sa East Coast, eh. I know, sa lahat naman ng part ng buong mundo, right? We
Mhm.
have crimes, but as of this time wala pang grabeng gano'n. You just have to keep yourself updated, and with the safe question, I mean, kung safe si New Jersey, yes, it is safe here, very safe. Maganda dito, 'wag silang mag-worry about that.
Ayan. So, thank you so much. Ayan, maniniwala na yung mga nurses natin no, kasi they're living there. Ayan, si Miss Jess, oh, nagkakape pa nga outside.
True. Yes,
Ayan.
I'm outside our
Ayan.
house. 'Di ba?
Ayan. So, ma'am, may nakita naming kotse. Is that your car?
Oh, yeah, I only have a sedan.
Mm. So, you know
So
how to
far,
drive na, ma'am?
yes. Even before kasi dito, I already drive. So
Mhm.
konting adjustments na lang. Though it is really a big adjustment kasi walang masyadong traffic, especially in my place. So dire-diretso, mabilisan talaga. And even the speed limit medyo mataas. But you'll get the hang of it and masaya naman siya. You just have to be careful and follow the rules, of course.
And I think better yan, ma'am, kaysa sa traffic dito sa Philippines, no? Mas
Yes, dito
nakaka-stress.
kasi 1 mile, 1 minute. Ganun yung ano niya,
Mm.
reputation niya.
Ayan, so commercial questions lang naman 'yan para din sa mga na-curious. Ayan, ma'am, 'no? So, ayan. So, let's go back in sustaining life, 'no, in New Jersey with dependents. Ma'am, what steps or what are the things that you did, no, to maintain a stable or at least, ma'am, a sufficient or viable life in New Jersey? Siyempre as the days, months, and years na nag-enroll ka ng estudyante, ma'am, nagkakaroon ng mga additional expenses. Ano po yung naging ginawa niyo in order for you to like to sustain that kind of life?
I just want to share this one, Miss Janica, no? With the school, ipasok ko na yon,
Mhm.
wala akong ginastos.
Oh.
Okay? The school here is free, and even the meals of my children in school, free yung lunch nila, even breakfast. So that's really a big relief kasi hindi na kami mag-worry kung ano ba yung babaonin nila, and kung wala kaming pera, 'di ba? That's really a big help. Ang binayaran ko lang actually is their Chromebook, which is I think $30 for the insurance, but other than that, wala na. Okay? And to maintain a stable life possibly is budgeting talaga siya. At first, it's really hard, especially if we convert the US dollars
Mhm.
to peso para lang maintindihan mo magkano ba to. But eventually, pagka nasanay ka na, hindi ka dapat bili lang ng bili. Okay? Kailangan mo rin siyang i-budget. especially with the utilities. Kami kasi nakatira kami sa house, we're renting a house. So, sagot namin lahat, Wi-Fi, electric, gas, even maintaining the lawn, I mean, the yard, right? So kami rin, out of pocket namin yon. But you just have to budget accordingly. Kasi hindi na nga namin iniisip yung school eh. Right? So yung needs na lang sa bahay din and utilities yung iniisip namin. Of course, we still have a lot para sa sariling layaw, but kailangan din siyang kontrolin if, you need to save.
Mhm. Ayan. So, tama man pala talaga 'no, na one of the good thing about New Jersey is their great educational system. Ayan. So, it's
Yes.
actually ma'am talagang good thing yon kasi dito sa Philippines ma'am, isipin mo yung baon araw-araw,
True.
yung mga
Yes.
libro and all 'no. At
Oo, dito
least
hindi mo na siya iisipin. Ano na lang, yung binder na lang nila, which is yung pang daily, yun na lang. And we got lucky yung service nila, yung school service. Yung
mhm.
pickup point is just in the front of our house.
So,
And
may
it's still
service din
free.
ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
they have bus. School service nila is a bus, and it's also free.
Wow, that's good to know ma'am. Talagang parang, "Okey
Yeah.
pasok ka na lang anak," parang gano'n 'no?
Oo,
Gra
gano'n. And then they
wow.
encourage kids to go to school. Very important that they attend the school, and the communication, they have apps like yung mga announcements sa school na hindi ka maiiwan, no? And they also update as they have this specific site that you check on a daily basis, like their homework. Though madalang naman silang may homework and their grades, ganyan. Sobrang ganda nung pagko-communicate nila with the parents. And they have this also an application. You just have to um, deposit an amount, parang school cafe nila, just in case the kids, they want to buy something na hindi kasama sa free lunch
Hmm.
or free breakfast. Pwede, sasabihin lang nila yung ID number nila and they will just go there. They do not have to bring cash anymore.
So actually that's good to know ma'am 'no. Actually parang napapanood ko lang 'yan ma'am sa mga ano, mga series na may ganito free lunch 'no. So that's
Yes.
an advantage ma'am, that's a huge advantage lalo na kung at least yung mga ma'am 'no, yung mga may anak na dadalhin papunta ng US, somehow nagkaroon sila ng relief na, okay gan'to pala, at least somehow pero ma'am madami bang schools diyan or palalapit ba
Yes.
yung
Yes, what I love about the system here is you just need to register online for the regional, like here, the Toms River Regional District School nila online, and they will be the one to let you know na ito yung nearest school ng sa'yo. So ito yung ini-encourage namin, dito papasukin yung anak niyo para malapit. Okay, but it's still up to the parents kung gusto nila mas malayo, but sila talaga yung nagha-highly recommend kung saan nila ipapasok yung bata. And sobrang easy lang yung pagre-register, literally. And what I love about it is the school nurse is very involved kasi ito-check niya yung physical, they need to have their physical annually, and dapat wala din siyempre abnormalities sa mga lab works and sa doctor's check. Also, for the vaccine, they're very particular with the vaccine. Like tayo, we have flu vaccine
mhm.
yearly. So I just enrolled my youngest to kindergarten. So chinek nila if my youngest son has received the fifth DTaP vaccine. Kasi kundi hindi siya i-admit. Very,
Wow.
very particular sila doon.
Yeah, hindi
Yeah.
lang pala ma'am about sa school but also they're very hands-on with the health nung mga
Yes.
bata.
Yeah. I also want to add, Miss Janica, the benefits here, superb with the health. As adult, ako, I got my insurance from Town Kids, but for my kids, the NJ Family Care benefits, wala kang babayaran for your child as long as they're 19 and below and may criteria na na-meet, they will receive their health insurance from the government. And especially those families with special needs, like my son has an autism spectrum disorder, they will really help your child with everything. Like for the school, wala kaming hardship, wala kaming difficulty. They were the one who assessed my son kung ano yung kailangan niya, kung okay na ba siya, ready na ba siya for a big class or needs to be in a controlled group. So as of now, after our few meetings, um, kailangan niya controlled group. So they will assign a one-on-one help aid sa school para i-assist siya because my youngest is not yet potty trained and this will be his first time, right? So yun, meron siya one-on-one and then meron siyang service, everything na kailangan mo. Yung
Mhm.
anxiety na lang namin is because this will be his first time. That's
Mhm.
it. Hindi na kami anxious sino yung service. Saan ba to? Ano ba? Paano siya pag nagugutom siya and everything? Wala. And then we just receive a letter from the mail na kasama rin siya sa free lunch and free breakfast.
Mhm.
And then for our orientation, they will pick us up here to give us a tour ng school. Kasi may kalayuan yung school dito around less than 5 miles. Kasi hindi pa prepared yung isang school na malapit for us. But it's fine kasi napuntahan namin siya. They will schedule a school tour for my kid para hindi siya masyadong anxious. Which is, yun yung maganda kasi with New Jersey, they are very good with disability benefits. Especially with autism na medyo mataas yung parang cases niya, right? Medyo marami tayong gano'n. So, maganda yung benefits na binibigay nila with the health insurance as well na free. Sobrang ano nun,
Mhm.
ano yun? Nakaka-relieve, di
Relief.
ba?
Mhm.
Yeah, yes. Kasi sobrang grabe. Free siya. Kalahin mo, free. Wala kang iisipin. Tsaka kahit ilan yung anak mo, free siya doon. Nakakatawa lang.
Ayan. So I think ma'am sa mga nurses natin na nanonood, kasi even this is actually my first time hearing those benefits ma'am. No, we just know some or yung mga
Mhm.
parang yung mga limit or mga nakita lang namin sa mga internet, no. It's a very good thing to know. Lalo
Yeah,
na actually hindi lang naman kayo ma'am, no. There are actually a lot of nurses na may case na may anak din na kumbaga may special needs, no. And
yeah.
knowing that and hearing that, for sure ma'am, would give them a relief. Kasi as you go
Yes.
here with your dependents, ma'am, as you go in the United States, isa yun sa mga inaalala mo, ma'am, no? Na makapag-adjust pa yung anak ko. Okay ba
Oo,
siya doon?
totoo. Yes, and they will really help. The state will really help. Like my second son, parang nahirapan siya mag-adjust because he's 14, 15. So yun yung medyo ano yung adolescent stage, right? But they will push your kids to join sports. As in even summer, kahit bakasyon na, they will still reach out, join kayo dito, ganyan. So nakakatuwa kasi they
Mhm.
wanna keep your children active and they will also provide credits. My eldest, she will be turning grade 12, incoming grade 12 siya. So we're receiving a lot of invites from different colleges na hindi naman namin ni-reach out. Sila na yung diretsong
Mm.
nagme-mail sa amin and nagme-email to invite for, a tour and just check their university. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang, wow, valued ka na in a way,
Oo.
right? Kasi alam nila
Yes.
may radar agad sila na, "Oh, merong magka-college diyan." Nakakatuwa.
Mhm. Well, that's good to hear, ma'am, no? Ako na-overwhelmed din ako, ma'am, hearing that, no? In a good way, actually. Kasi iba't iba, ibang-iba kung ano yung meron dito sa Philippines na kung ano yung meron sa US, ma'am. It's way different, no? Kaya sa mga nurses natin with hesitations na baka hindi nila kayanin, kaya ma'am, 'di ba? Kaya po.
Kaya, kasi you don't have to worry about school expenses anymore. That's a big chunk of the budget, right? So you just have to provide for the family's basic necessities. Food, syempre, dito kasi masarap magluto. Lalo na laging available, ang dami mong orderin eh. So, kaya siya. With the house, mga bagay na kailangan gamit, unti-unti. Nung una, sabi ko nga, bakante yung bahay. And now, medyo puno na siya. Di ba? Nakakatuwa rin. Saka daming sale, daming offers.
Yeah, and a progress is a progress, ma'am, no? No matter how small
True.
that is.
Yes. Yeah,
Ayan.
totoo yan.
Ayan, ma'am, no? Nag-enjoy na tayo kuwentuhan dito, ma'am, no? Nakakatuwa naman kasi talaga yung benefits from New Jersey, no? So, ma'am, let's go to another question, ma'am, no? Siyempre, you have your husband. Ayan. How important it is that you have a very supportive husband and at the same time you're working as a nurse kay Town Kids.
It is really a great part of life here, right? Kasi support eh. We need to keep supporting each other. We need to keep exploring, keep growing, and we need to keep embracing yung adventures dito together. And us together, ano yun, parang tinutulungan namin yung mga anak namin. Maganda yung may support system. Though, I just wanna share, no, previously, he's working here, but because of our youngest condition, na kailangan may tututok sa kanya, so we decided na mag-stop muna siya from working. Kasi iba yung may special needs, right? And I cannot really focus on my kid. But him doing that is really a great help. We need to be working together. Hindi kaya ng isa lang. Though I'm not against those na wala, no? It's just that for me, it's a big help. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Parang hindi ko alam ang nangyayari pag wala yung asawa ko sa tabi ko.
Oh, that's sweet, ma'am. Kinilig. Puwede mo bang kiligin dito? Pero totoo, ma'am, 'no, ako nakita ko naman iba yung kapag uuwi ka, meron kang napagkukuwentuhan, may nakikinig sa mga rants mo,
True, true.
nakakatanggal pagod 'yan, ma'am. So,
Tsaka nauutusan mo siya, "You need to call this, you need to buy this," 'di ba?
at
Parang
least may
hindi
utusan
na
ka, ma'am, somehow. Naku, 'pag napanood 'to ng asawa mo, ma'am, baka mag-away kayo, joke.
medyo pero nakakatuwa rin after he left the company, I mean, work from home naman siya, may benefits din siya nakuha from the state. So may
Hmm,
unemployment benefits din dito for 6 months, which is a good thing, right? As long as nakikita nila na you're trying to apply. So my husband is trying to apply for a job, excuse me, working from home lang kasi nga we have
mhm,
a kid na may special needs. But of course, medyo nagiging mapili siya kasi hindi puwede siyempre yung voice kasi
mhm,
maingay yung anak ko and then yung sa time. So we've decided na we'll keep it this way muna. Ako lang yung nagwo-work, siya is nasa bahay and he will manage everything. And then we'll take it from there. Once nag-start yung school, and then doon namin check ano ba yung magandang schedule kasi we need to check the schedule like what we did in the Philippines. Alternate kami, 'di ba? Kailangan pa rin may nagga-guide dun sa mga bata.
mhm,
So siguro by September or October, he will look for a job na rin dito. Though madali lang naman makahanap ng work dito yung mga husbands
mhm.
natin 'no, husbands parang marami. You don't have to worry. Sobrang daming available jobs dito. Lalo na kung di ka choosy, sobrang dami. Like here in my place, nasa kanto lang din yung community medical center. Merong rehabilitation lang din malapit and then we have a lot of offices here. Hindi lang namin afford na mag-office si husband this time kasi nga we have our 5-year-old kid with special needs and we only have one car. Hindi pa ako ready bumili ng isa pang car for budgeting purposes.
Pero soon, ma'am, soon.
Yes, of course. We are planning, especially my eldest will soon be driving because she will turn 18 this month.
Hmm,
So we need to have a car kasi nahihirapan din naman kami. But ang sa amin lang is as long as kaya pa namin na isa siya, it's fine. Right? We
mhm.
need to plan accordingly kasi hindi naman siya biro na maghuhulog ka on a monthly basis. Right? Kasi nag-iipon din naman kami. But kaya naman siya kung talagang yun yung goal mo. But for us, dine-delay muna namin siya this time.
Ayun, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, upon hearing those, no, actually, bottom line, it works because it's planned, no?
Yes, that's the main thing. You have to plan it. Like, pag may task ka for the day, you have to list it,
Mhm,
para maging, um, ano kayo ng asawa mo rin eh. Yung in sync kayo. Ano magagawin for today? What are the important things that we need to do para hindi mo siya makalimutan? Right?
mhm.
Do not procrastinate. Kasi
Yes.
kung magagawa mo na siya today, do it. Kasi baka tomorrow hindi mag-work. Okay? Especially me working, I only have few days off, right? Dapat nakaplan yung gagawin ko on a daily basis. Maybe that's me, but ako yung nagsasend kay husband. As in, may board ako sa harap ng PC
Mhm,
niya. This is certain things that you need to do. So may board ako for task niya, like calling, mga appointments. And then I have another board for household chores.
ayan. At least, ma'am, it works for you, no? And I believe to those nurses watching, ma-adapt din nila yan. It's a good thing. Kasi kung disorganized kayo, ma'am, sobrang hirap. Parang, hala, nasaan na ba
Yeah.
tayo? On
Oo,
track pa
I
ba
am not
tayo?
asking. Yeah, I'm not asking everyone to be like that. It's just that you just have to plan. Kasi mas maganda yung organized lang yung
Mm.
on a daily basis, 'di ba? Para hindi ka malilito kasi mahirap yung nagdu-duty ka, "Ay, I forgot
Mm.
something. Oh my gosh, it's important." 'Di ba? It's really hard kasi you cannot leave your patient at home, right? So
Mhm.
paano yun? And you cannot call your husband or your children ng bigla-bigla if you're not on break sa bahay. So you just have to really plan accordingly.
Ayan. So, tama naman. Relationship goals. Ayan. Ayan, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, there's a question that popped out, no, inside my head, no. Ma'am, yung ano ba, yung workload ba kay Town Kids, yung setup ba ng work kay Town Kids, naging factor ba siya sa'yo para at least somehow mas naging madali or di naman sobrang dali pero somehow on a lighter side, yung transition and pag-a-adjust mo alongside with your dependents, naging factor ba yun?
Yes. To be honest, at first I thought masyado siyang mabigat. And then I realized after few months, mabigat lang siya it's because nag-a-adjust ka pa with the patient's routine. But after mo nang ma-master kung ano yung gagawin mo on an hourly basis, sisiw na siya. After work, makakagawa ka pa ng mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin. Hindi siya gano'n kabigat. Kasi nga, you already know the routine. Lay down to your shift, we can do all other tasks. Kasi hindi naman gano'n nakakapagod.
Ayan. So, parang advantage din siya, ma'am, kasi since you have your dependents with you. Kasi yung iba 'pag sobrang burnout ka, uwi ka, "Tulog na ako." You can't even say hi to your kids, 'no? Pero ikaw, ma'am, you have, like, extra time to talk with your kids.
Yes. Yes, mostly I mean, the end of my shift, 7 or 8 PM, excited na yung kids ko. Kasi,
Mhm.
after my shift, kuwentuhan, like quality time. It's very, very important. My daughter will cook for us and then while having dinner, magkukuwentuhan kami parang for 2 hours. Kasi nga,
Mhm.
light naman yung work for me, so hindi gano'n nakakapagod. So talagang we need to bond. Yun yung ano, important dito with your kids, especially that this is a different country, this is different culture. You need to talk to your kids.
Ayan. Actually, yun din sinasabi namin sa mga nurses natin, "Ma'am, ma-appreciate mo siya once nasa US ka na, yung 1:1, na yung home care setting kasi uuwi
Yes.
ka sa family mo, may energy ka pa." And hearing that from a nurse under Town Kids, 'no, I think maniniwala na sila sa'min.
Yeah, I receive a lot of questions na, "True ba na 1:1?" Parang hindi nila maisip na paano siya magiging totoo. Well, yeah, I always tell them na, yes, 1 patient per day. I just got lucky ako kasi dalawa lang yung regular patients ko. So I handle the one, twice a week, yung isa 3 times a week. So 1:1 patient per day. After my shift's done, for that patient, uwi na ako, siya lang yung hawak ko. Kaya yung routine nun alam ko na siya, na-master ko na siya, parang
Mhm.
gano'n. Oo, gano'n.
Ayan. So, and I think daw sa mukha pa naman ni Miss Jazz, she's very fresh. Ayan, hindi haggard. Ayan,
Oo, malaki yung ano, naging improvement kasi sa Philippines graveyard haggard lagi.
ayan. Yeah, at least yung parang ang sarap tumambay diyan, ma'am.
Ay, oo naman. 'Pag ano, punta kayo dito, nag-barbecue tayo sa likod.
Parang ano lang, ma'am,
Masarap siya, oh.
parang Cubao lang, ma'am, yung distance, eh.
Oo, barbecue tayo, suwi ka na.
Sige, ma'am, on the way. Ayun, pero ma'am, magkabilang mundo talaga kasi gabi dito, umaga diyan. Ayan,
Sobrang opposite. Yeah.
ayan. Sige, ma'am, 'no.
Nakakatuwa.
Ayan, for the last question, as much as I want to talk to you, ma'am, 'no, and ask questions, I believe our nurses watching nag-e-enjoy din sila, 'no. Pero for the last question, ma'am, ano yung mga expectations and things to prepare ng mga nurses if they decided to go there with their dependents?
Okay. Dapat talaga you have to be prepared. You have to prepare your dependents. Okay? So before going here, you have to talk to them kasi it will be a totally different thing. When I say totally different thing, like sa culture, way of living, um, even sa bahay, magiging iba yung routine. So you have to prep them emotionally kasi I think especially me, yung adolescent ko, kailangan ma-prep mo siya kundi baka kung anong mangyari.
Mhm.
Okay? And then before you go here, you probably need to research then kung paano ba yung way of living dito. And then since our patients, most of them are Jewish, so you also need to prepare paano ba yung culture nila and what the best way to approach them. Yung mga ganon. Kasi yun yung kailangan nilang maintindihan. Iba kasi sa Pinoy eh. Sa Pilipinas kasi alam na natin kasi Pinoy
Mhm.
tayo. But here, they are different. Wag silang matakot. Like, pag may nagjo-jog dito, they will say hi to you. Siyempre mag-hi ka rin. Ang Pinoy kasi is yuko lang. Kaya ito, nakaupo lang
Naka-headset
ako
pa,
sa
ma'am, 'no?
oo, nakaupo lang ako sa may patio. Mag-hi sila talaga. So, prepare niyo rin yung sarili niyo do'n. And with the weather, expect nyo yun, sorry, we have 4 seasons here. So, prep natin na medyo may kalamigan. Okay? With the budget, at first, mahirap siya kasi you are converting USD and peso na malaki talaga siya.
Mhm.
Okay? You need to adjust with the currency para maintindihan mo how to budget properly. You don't have to really bring a lot of money with you. Pero syempre, you need to, if you're planning to buy a car on your own and kailangan mo yon, prep ka ng money. And also for the rent kasi they require security deposit and an advance. But I think yun lang yung malaking nagastos ko, car and then sa house. Other than that, pa unti-unti na lang. Okay? So yun lang, you need to prep. Ako sa akin ha, Miss Danica, that's important. You need to prepare yourself emotionally. Kasi iba yung adjustment. Yung homesickness, iba siya. Okay? So, pero with what you expect here, kung ano yung naisip mo, US, yun siya eh. Yun siya talaga.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, parang bago pa rin sa'yo, ma'am, ni feeling, 'no?
Oo, marami pa akong kailangang explore. Kasi ano ko eh, nasa bahay lang ako madalas.
Hmm.
It's just my husband who he's pushing me to go somewhere. Hindi ako mahilig eh.
'Di ka palagala, ma'am, gano'n?
Hindi, hindi. Mas gusto kong kasama ko yung mga anak ko.
Mhm. Gano'n talaga, ma'am, ata kapag ano na, pamilyado, 'no? The
Mm.
difference. Makikita namin yung difference ng ano, ma'am, mga My Day ng may anak, tsaka My Day nung mga single nurses natin.
Yeah,
Ayan.
yeah. Pero it's better to go out. Don't be like me. I'm a boring person.
Pero there's
Tsaka I
solitude
asked
in ano, ma'am, in staying at home.
yeah, I asked my kid, go here, go there. Parang, bakit di ka sumasama? Ikaw ma-enjoy mo pa yan, ako may edad na ako.
Parang hindi naman halata, ma'am, yung may edad.
Yeah, yeah. Wala lang. Parang mas gusto ko yung dito na lang ako sa bahay.
Hmm.
Maglilinis na lang ako.
Pahinga, ma'am. Tsaka okey din yung ma'am, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng way of resting, ayan, and enjoying
True.
things, ayan. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Miss Jazz. Bago po natin end
Okay.
'to, 'no, bago natin tapusin, 'no, baka may gusto kang kamustahin or shoutout dito sa mga Philippines, ma'am? Relatives?
Uh, yes, to my families and friends sa Philippines, hello. Hope okay kayo dyan. To all the town staff, of course, dyan sa Philippines. Hi din. Sana ay okay pa kayo. I know it's a retro, so medyo nakaka-worry, but just keep on praying. All the other nurses, just keep on praying. Just trust the process. God has plans. Just trust Him. Kaya yan. Kasi I have a lot of friends waiting. Miss Danica na naka-sign sa inyo, but
Mhm,
just trust God's plan. Malay mo, bukas, bumalik na, maging
mhm.
current na. But yeah, let's just wait. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. And you have a great day. See you soon here.
Ayan. So thank you so much, Miss Jazz, for that. And to our nurses, hopefully, and I know for sure, you've learned a lot. I learned a lot, no? Kaya po sa mga tao na scared, nurses, scared of bringing their dependents or trying to sign up with town, kids worrying they can't leave. with our dependents, Miss Jazz is a proof that you can, no? So it's just a matter of planning, adjusting, no? Hindi siya agad-agad madali. In kahit saang states naman, ma'am, no? Hindi siya
Yeah.
madali agad. So again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hanggang sa susunod po nating kwentuhan. Maraming maraming salamat. Bye everyone. Ayan.